guys, it's Heather and Kristen, and we're back.
We are.
With a new video. And this video is going to be like a Valentine's Day fingernail polish sesh. Just a chat and...
Chatty Cathy sesh.
Yeah, with, she's going to paint my nails.
Side note, when we first started dating, I used to love doing her nails and her toes.
She doesn't do it anymore.
It was very... I call horse shit. Because I'm working a lot.
Yeah.
It's getting back into that routine of dating your spouse. You know, just doing those small things.
Well, we're not married yet, but...
Yeah.
I massage your feet all the time.
I'm not complaining.
Don't you saw that, right? You saw that. Anyways, we are going to lift the camera to where you can see her painting the nails. You won't see us, but we will be chatting. And let's get started, shall we? So Jeffree Star had a surgery yesterday.
His botched lips. I don't know. He hasn't really said much about anything, but he did film it, so we should get. I can't do this sideways like this.
Do you mean lift up my nails?
No, it's trying to do it at a different angle. It's going to be really difficult.
She thinks it's the lips. I think it's the nose.
No, because his lips have been overfilled for a while.
Well, yeah, but I think that's just Botox. Maybe, I mean, you may be right. What do y'all think? Is it lips or is it nose? Put that down below in the comments.
Or comment if you don't even know who we're talking about.
Yeah, Jeffree Star is, he's the head of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. He used to be in a band. He was a really good social media star. He was on MySpace and had over 5 million fans or something like that. Probably more.
He had a brief music career too, which I am fascinated by. He's like jack of all trades, if you will.
Yeah. So she's just doing the base coat in this color orally. What's that color?
I don't know right now.
Now this nail polish looks orange, but it comes out to be a really pretty rose gold kind of color. Don't you think?
Which is right up your alley.
Yes.
We also need to let Christine know that we're not taking her job, by the way.
Christine, which is simply I can't say it. Nailological.
We will tag her below.
We love her. She's from Canada.
Canada?
She's Canada. I can't talk today.
She's from Canada.
Yeah, Canada. A land of the unknown.
That is hilarious.
And you've probably seen her video.
Without realizing it.
The Polished Mountain video. That's like the most liked video on YouTube.
She's hilarious.
Yes,
oh
she is. Now, Kristen didn't really like her from the beginning, but I was like, no, you just gotta like stick with it.
But once I got to see her personality come out, I was just like, oh my god, what the hell is wrong with me?
No. You just don't see her personality until a few videos in, and then you're like, okay, she's cool.
Yeah.
I like how humble she is.
Yes.
Without bragging. Like, going to these awards and...
She's not braggy like a lot of YouTubers
She's not braggy at all. And she's just so humble. She's like, oh, I'm in my sweatpants over here at an awards ceremony. Everybody else is dressed up.
You can't forget Ben.
Yeah. Ben's her husband. Or no, boyfriend. Whoops, boyfriend.
She's gonna block you for that one.
I think so. Christine, don't block us, please. We love you. But she calls Ben her drink slave, and he gets her tea.
Oh, it's hilarious.
It's so funny.
Ben.
And she calls him just like that. Did you know that she did a Tinder, or a video for Tinder trying to find a new drink slave?
I still don't even know what the hell this Tinder crap is.
It's a dating website.
Oh, Lord.
Swipe left or right. We're too old for that.
Yeah, apparently. I'm like, Tinder. I like my chicken tender. Yes, please.
You're funny.
That was close.
It's from Orly. That's the base color.
Shimmering mauve.
Shimmering. That's really pretty, and it's just a really pretty rose gold color. But for some reason, sometimes I look at it and I'm like, that looks almost pumpkin. There we go. See how it looks pumpkin right there? But it's actually not. It's rose gold. It's really pretty.
The lighting is whack.
What color is this one?
This is
OPI.
Popular Vote.
Popular Vote. And it's really pretty pinky.
Give me your hand.
It's like the same color of our lipstick.
That works.
What the heck? If y'all can't see that, the cap came off.
Yep, that works just great. How am I going to get this off here?
There you go. You got it. I wouldn't put it back in that until later. So I don't know if y'all have heard, but there's this beauty company called Copycat Beauty.
Other hand.
Have you heard of Copycat? Oops.
No, I have not. Did you just screw up my work?
No, I didn't do it. Nope.
Never doing this again.
You like doing this. Anyways, Copycat Beauty has endorsed Bad Baby, which is
Shit.
the Cash Me Outside from Phil, is it Phil McGraw or Dr. McGraw? What's his name? I forgot what his name is.
Dr. Phil?
Dr. Phil. Yeah. And so she's got a $900,000 endorsement deal to promote their products. And apparently it's supposed to be knockoff of the brands Anastasia, Beverly Hills,
This is not working.
Kat Von D. There's a couple of other ones. Urban Decay. So if y'all want to see us see a review on that, let us know, and next time we get enough to go get it, we can.
Yeah, this is disgusting.
We can get it and check it out. I've seen a couple reviews out there. Some people like it, some people don't, so it's kind of mixed reviews. Well, it just makes sense because it would be on this.
Yeah, but it's got to be really, really dry before I can do anything.
Well, yeah. So we're going to pause right now and let it dry, and then we'll be back on a little bit later to show you how she does the heart for the Valentine's Day nails.
Part number 1. Keep it flat. Keep it flat so it doesn't run. Please.
I'm trying to, I can't get it right here.
I'm all over here.
It's cute.
That was challenging. I was like, okay, it's going to kind of turn into a giant blob.
Cute.
You look what is
couldn't
that?
see it very well.
You're like, what is that? Yeah, we'll definitely have to take some after.
Yeah, because for some reason the light's not catching it.
No, I feel like the light's not bright enough.
Yeah, we need to get different lights.
Well, we also have that spotlight that would probably help too.
What spotlight?
This setup came with 3. The 2 umbrella lights and then like a regular just bright light.
We should have done that then. I didn't know it came with a...
Trial and error, babe.
But does it come with a light with it too?
Yeah.
Because I didn't see it.
Yeah, we can
We'll have to try that.
try different settings and stuff.
It's really pretty. I like it.
Now we just gotta let them dry.
Anyways, thanks for
watching.
I can't think. So like our channel and then share, and also please subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you on the next time. Bye.